Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amberlay and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to do a makeup look for the summer. I want to start doing a lot of makeup looks for the summer because it's getting so warm outside. So I decided to give you guys an eyeshadow look. And basically with this look, I'm reviewing the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. So I got this actually at BeautyCon. I don't know if it's out yet, but I know it will be out sometime in May. So I'm just doing my own kind of review for it, just to let you guys know what I think of the product and if I think you guys would benefit from purchasing it. Oh my goodness, hold on. I feel like I'm tearing and I'm messing up my whole makeup. Lord. I also wanted to review kind of an affordable brand for you guys because I know nobody has time to be spending money on Anastasia's Beverly Hills or Huda Beauty palettes today. So this is why I thought it'd be perfect to use this. So if you like the look that I came up with and you're interested in seeing what the palette can do, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off this look with a fresh face. I'm going to prime my lids with Benefit's Cosmetics Professional Primer. I used this product once and I never touched another primer. I swear it's amazing at blocking your pores. Next, I'm just going to use MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW35, and I'm not using too much, just enough to cover it to act as like a base from my lids because I want to prevent creasing. I crease so much, you guys, it's ridiculous. So this is just an optional step. So I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer base with Laura Mercier's translucent powder, and I'm not putting too much, just putting enough to get in all those little crease lines to prevent creasing. And the first shade that I'm going to use in this palette is Coral Punch, and I'm just packing it on, and oh my god, you guys, look at how hard it is for me to pack on this shade. Like, it's so light. And look, it's all dusting off and falling off, so I literally had to wet the brush to get the shade to pack on. So now you can see the difference because I just wet the brush, and you can wet with the water or setting spray. It doesn't matter, but I had to wet it to get the color to show better. So that's what I did, and that's why you see it now. So I'm gonna blend that shade out with the shade Berry Ice, and boy, if you thought Coral Punch was hard to see, Berry Ice, oh my gosh, you cannot see it for nothing. It looks like I have invisible eyeshadow that I'm blending in, literally, oh my goodness. But that's why I'm using it as a transition shade basically. So I'm just kind of trying to blend out the Coral Punch shade with the Berry Ice shade to kind of diffuse it, but it honestly already looks diffused because it's like so hard to pack on. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to blend in the shade Ice Pop into my outer corner. Basically, it's still hard to blend in, but Ice Pop is a little stronger of a shade than Coral Punch. So I'm just blending it onto my outer corner, bringing it up a little bit into my crease, you know, doing the best that I can with what I got. And meanwhile, all these colors are dusting off into my cheek. So with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer again, I'm going to kind of cut, well, not really, I am cutting, but it's kind of like half of a cut crease. So I'm cutting halfway onto my lid, and that's honestly so that when I put the brighter shades in, they'll show a little bit better. So I'm just kind of carving it out on my lid, trying to make sure that I do it as neat as I possibly can because I'm so bad at this, I swear. And then I'm going to take the shade Sunny, which is like the whitest shade there, and set that concealer and also act as like a light base on top of the bright color I'm about to pack on. So I'm going to spray my brush again with MAC Fix Plus to wet it, and I'm going to pack on the brightest shade, which is Lemonade Craze. It's like this yellow, regular sunshine yellow lemonade shade. There's no way, honestly, to describe it. And the only reason that I think it's packing on well is because I put sunnies underneath it and I wet the brush, honestly. But, I mean, it's packing on pretty nice from what I did there. So I'm just going to pack it on top of where I added the concealer and see how it does. Next, I'm taking the shade Sugar Coated, and I'm using that to blend in the Lemonade Craze and the Ice Pop shade together so that it looks like there's more of a smooth transition. So I'm taking the NYX Vivid Bright Liquid Liner in the color Yellow to line my crease real quick. And I'm also taking Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner to line out my eyes in kind of like a small wing just to make everything look neat. And I'm using NYX Better Than Sex Mascara to prep my lashes for the falsies. And I'm just going to put that on my upper lashes for now. The lashes that I'm using is Eyelure Luxe Silk in Marquise. So I applied those off camera, and what I also did was apply the NYX Jumbo Crayon in white underneath my eyes to make them pop and look a little bigger. And I just applied my foundation off camera. If you guys want to see a foundation routine from me, please comment below. I'll be happy to do it for you guys. And so now I'm just putting the color Coral Punch and Ice Pop underneath on my lash line. And I just went back in with Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara to do my lower lash line. And I'm also just took the color Main Squeeze, which is a part of the Lemonade Craze palette, to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and the tip of my brow bone. But that's not the only highlight I'm going to be using today. I'm also taking Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife highlight and also adding that on top of the Main Squeeze to really make that inner highlight pop. And this is not the only time you're going to see me using that highlighter. So I'm using Tarte blush in the shade Party, and I'm just applying a little bit just to add like a kind of a pink type of flush to it. And I'm also going back with Fenty Beauty's Moscow Mule highlight for a pink undertone, and then going in with another highlight, which is Illuminati by Artist Couture, on top of that pink highlight. And I'm just blending it in. Honestly, I feel like I'm always putting too much, and I always over blend my highlights so they never show like I want them to on camera. It's so annoying. Oh my god. So see, watch me blend all of this highlight away. Like, watch me blend all of this perfection away. So I'm setting everything now with Kat Von D setting spray. And I'm just going to do my lips. And I'm just lighting my lips with Eyelure's brow pencil in the color brown. And I'm going to go ahead with Ofra Cosmetics MAC Liquid Lipstick. This is the shade Mocha, and it's like a nice nude pink shade. And I'm going back with the Illuminati highlighter by Artist Couture to highlight my nose a little bit. And you guys see I have like this white patch underneath my eyes. It's just setting powder. I honestly started tearing up and messing up my makeup, so I just added setting powder to fix it. And that's the finished look, guys. I gotta say, this look right now is really giving me some Nicki Minaj vibes, right? Giving me some Nicki Minaj vibes, like Nicki Minaj. Oh my god, what video? You guys gotta give me a video. So all in all, I can say this was a pretty decent drugstore palette. I wouldn't prefer it over Morphe, of course, but this is doable to me. I would recommend, though, that you do the eyeshadow before the foundation like I did, because I didn't know whether there was going to be fallout or not, and I was absolutely right. Even though I didn't show it before in the video, I don't know if you guys can see it, could have saw it, but there was a lot of fallout on my cheek from like trying to like get the colors to be sharper on my lid. So yeah, I would do the eyeshadow before foundation when using this. And also I would recommend wetting your brush, not even just for the shimmery shades, but for all of the shades, even the matte shades in this palette. I had to wet my brush for each shade that I use, except for the sugar coated shade. And sugar coated is actually my favorite. This little gold brown color, bronze color right here. It was actually my favorite shade out of the whole palette because I didn't really need to wet my brush for this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. And you guys can see it's a pretty strong, sharp color. I have a bunch of little, I think I have leftover foundation on my hand too, in case you guys are wondering what that was. But yeah, that's my favorite color. I actually like really bronzy colors like this, and this shade actually came out like really nice. So this is my favorite shade. So that is all for this video. Be sure to thumbs up and comment below if you like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, for more videos, because I will be posting up more summer looks like this. Yeah, be sure to subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, which has been left here for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.